The Tru-Tension Tire Monkey and Grime Guard bundle brings together a cleverly engineered tire lever and protection system that makes tire changes far less frustrating for everyday cyclists and enthusiasts alike. The Tire Monkey lever gives you strong leverage and a controlled grip on the bead, so even tight modern tires come off and go back on with much less risk of pinching the tube or straining your hands. The Grime Guard sits neatly between the cassette and spokes to catch overspray and run off, helping to keep brake rotors and pads free from contamination while you clean and lubricate the drivetrain. Included cleaners are formulated to break down road film and oily buildup quickly, so you can restore a dull, dirty bike to a fresh finish with minimal scrubbing effort. The bundle also adds a dedicated brush and chain lubricant, rounding out a compact kit that covers most routine cleaning and maintenance tasks in one place. Overall, this set feels thoughtfully designed for riders who want professional-style results at home without needing a drawer full of separate tools and chemicals.